And I'm starting to think. I can't help when I see outcomes like this. I'm willing to place a bet on Didi and Young Philly's case as well. I think it will end up like this as well. They'll push it for as long as possible. They will assassinate their character, slow down their bag. I'm not saying these people are saints. I'm not saying the Tate brothers are saints. I'm just saying the legal system works in a particular type of way. For some reason, it did not become as big as when they were arrested. The Tate brothers, their case has been dismissed. They are now totally free. The case cannot be taken to trial. It has been completely dismissed. When they were arrested, when everything was, it was the big news. It was all over the place. And now that the case has been dismissed, it seems like it's not that much of a big topic. What's going on? What do you think?
I mean, it's clear what happened, right? I think this was the goal all along. I think this is a failed attempt of character assassination. I think some people behind the wheels wanted to really bring down the names because it became like a very powerful. It still is, but for sure it has been dent or like stained or with this whole allegation.
Just slow them down a bit.
Yeah, it's not even a bit. They will probably come out of this, but it's not a bit, man. Like it's a lot. And I feel like for anyone behind this, or the people behind this, it's already a win. Maybe they thought, okay, a bigger win would definitely be to find something we can convict these guys with, or but they didn't find anything. But for a lot of people, these guys are convicted already. You can't tell them any other thing. I see comments on some of their posts and you see, oh, this sexual assault or like this child trafficker or
traffickers.
This. How? And I think that's the goal. That was the goal.
I think that you're right. And because it's almost like if we paint the picture right, people would say, we know that the justice system cannot be trusted anyway. So if they get convicted, they will say, it worked. If they don't get convicted, they will say, because they are rich, the justice system did not do its part. And when you paint the crime as graphic as possible, because they acted as if they had all the proofs. And when the women that they were trying to use as witnesses were saying, no, they treated us well, we didn't have any issues, that did not even become as big of a news as the crime itself.
Yeah.
And I'm starting to think, I can't help when I see outcomes like this. I'm willing to place a bet on Didi and Young Philly's case as well. I think it will end up like this as well. They'll push it for as long as possible. They will assassinate their character, slow down their bag. I'm not saying these people are saints. I'm not saying the Tate brothers are saints. I'm just saying the legal system works in a particular type of way. And unless these cases can be done outside the media, like when you put together a case, when court hearings, this publicization of this thing, I think is something to review. Because it does the damage. The damage has been done, and then maybe you set people free or something, and then it doesn't really make that much difference for some people. I know why we think the Tate brothers might come back up, because this is exactly what they say they are capable of, Like if you pull us down, blah, blah, we will rise again. We'll be the top G's and stuff like that. But there are people that are, not necessarily as active, not necessarily as agile to bring themselves back up. But let's see what happens with the Didi and the Young Philly case as well.
I just feel like there has to be something done. Allegations and social media. The relationship is not good. I think maybe when things like this happen, right? But you can't stop media outlets to post or not to post, right? There has to be something done for it to just stay off, like this whole people becoming the judge.
The police must make it harder. The law enforcement agencies, they must make it harder for cases to get out. But nowadays, it's actually the law enforcement that
are putting it out. Yeah. Everyone wants a big buck. Everyone wants some raise, some promotion. The lawyers involved want to be known and seen. Exactly. All those things.
Exactly. And it's part of the whole game now. Like, it's part of the game. And it's creating an incentive for cases that hold no substance to still have a strong impact. But anyways, this is a Christmas recording. We won't get too much into that. We just wanted to.
It's a merry season.
Merry, exactly. Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate, they are free. Case dismissed. Maybe we'll see more of them on the internet soon.
Oh, they have been. They've been. I don't know where they post their stuff, but they are like everywhere now. Yeah.
Again, okay.
Yeah. They've been posting this last couple of weeks. I've been seeing like fresh content from them all over the place. Yeah.
I see. And if they have to pay a lot of money to get it out there, they will.
I think it changed his character also. I like this new Tate, to be honest. He's like, this new Andrew. He's like super chilled, and he's making. I think one of the problems he had, and I think he did that on purpose also, was he was being serious when he was being comical. Okay. If you get what I mean, yeah. So he's like, but now he's trying to really make it clear, like he's saying some stuff. But you have to be stupid enough to take it seriously, you know?
Because he takes it super extreme. He's making faces as well. I think I saw some faces.
Yeah. So we'll go to my kitchen. You're a woman, you need to just cook for me. But he's just being funny and stuff. Yeah.